Hello friends, welcome to our channel Zero Negativity. Look at the first stock of this episode. PC Jeweler. PC Jeweler Limited is a jeweler based in New Delhi, India. It started operation in April 2005 with one showroom at Kargul Bagh, Delhi. It is a first generation business promoted by two brothers, Padam Chand Gupta and Balram Garg. It presently has 84 stores in 7 cities and 19 states in India. PC Jeweler engages in manufacturing, export, wholesale and retail of gold and diamond jewelry in India. This company sell only hallmarked jewelry and certified diamond jewelry. PC Jeweler had its initial public offering in December 2012. As of 2012, the company planned to open 20 stores each year and start opening franchise stores as well. Market capital of this company is 1324 crore. Face value of 10, book value per share is 91.73 rupees. Look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having 54.53%, FIAs having 0.79% and public having 43.19%. FIAs increased holding in 0.59% to 0.79% in September 2021. Number of mutual funds also increased from 22 to 24. Look at the financial of this company. Revenue in 2017 8,474 crore, in 2018 9,611 crore, in 2019 8,679 crore, in 2020 5,206 crore, in 2021 2,826 crore rupees. Look at the net profit of this company. In 2017, 421 crore. In 2018, 535 crore. In 2020, 83 crore. In 2021, 62 crore. Now the stock trading around 28.45. 52-week low is 14.95 and 52-week high is 32.95. The stock trading from 500 to now 28.50 rupees. You can buy the stock at current common price. Put a stop loss of 26 and target will be 40 plus. 30 to 40% return expected in short term. Next stock of the day is IDFC First Bank. Market capital of this company is 32,831 crore. Face value 10, book value 31.04 rupees. IDFC First Bank, formerly IDFC Bank in Mumbai, that forms part of IDFC, an integrated infrastructure finance company. IDFC Bank started operation in 19 October 2015 with 23 branches in Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Ahmedabad and Kolkata. It has more than 600 branches across the India. Till 2021, 15 branches are in settlement with the population of less than 10,000. IDFC Bank has launched its 100th branch in Honali, Karnataka in October 2017. The bank, IDFC Bank, is the first in India to launch Aadhaar-linked cashless merchant solution. One of its largest loans into e-commerce include 3 billion US 40 million loan to Flipkart. Look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having 36.52%, foreign investors having 14.76 and DIS having 14.39 and public having 34.32%. Look at the revenue of this company. In 2017, 8,578 crore. In 2018, 9,098 crore. In 2019, 12,204 crore. In 2020, 16,240 crore. In 2021, 15,968 crore. Look at the net profit. In 2017, 1,063 crore. In 2018, 955 crore. In 2019 and 2020, all goes to negative. In 2021, 483 crore. Now this stock trading around 52 to 53 rupees. 52 week low is 29.80 and 52 week high is 69.30. The monthly chart shown breakout. So you can accumulate this stock around 46 to 50 rupees with stop loss of 45. Target for short term is 60 rupees. It can give good returns in coming years because this is a very potential stock to break the levels. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, comment, like and share. Okay, see you in next episode.